Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to fix threads not working on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that, scroll down a little and click General. Here, click iPhone storage, and here you must find threads. Click Show All, scroll down, and find Threads application. Click here and click Offload app. This is first method. Let's go to second method. You need just delete this application and download it again. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.